remember when my father was Minister of FCT, his record was not in good light. But now, he gets free meals in chopsticks and many restaurants in Abuja. I doubt it will happen with CBN. A lot that was wrong got wrong. And we are partly responsible. By we, I mean my primary base, the National Assembly. Our duties essentially are to oversight, pass laws, and follow your money. We have the power of the purse. And for reasons that with my little knowledge I won't divulge here, I'm sure the Honorable Minister understands, I think we allowed CBN too much independence back then. The irony is, life happens, Barrister trained me, I become a rep member. High-level politics is done. Without banking background, I find myself chairing the Banking Regulation Committee. Some will say Nigeria, some will say corruption, that's your problem. It's what I end up doing with it that matters to me. Now, in the House, leader, there are 3 committees, actually 4 committees on banking now, unlike the Senate that still has its Senate Committee on banking regulation. Yes, and other financial institutions. Thank you, sir. In the Senate, in the House now, we have banking and digital economy. I guess it was designed to capture the whole aura with crypto and how technology plays a key role in the financial markets now. The second is banking and other ancillary institutions. That banking committee is meant to oversight the DFIDs and so forth. The third is banking insurance, chaired by a very, very experienced member, Honorable Jaha Babao, and that oversights NDIC. And then they gave skinny small me banking regulation, which has the central bank. So that is why, even though I'm a small boy, some people, not leader of course, he remembers me in Pampers, treat me like a big boy because of CBN. But it's not the CBN of before. Now why? I think President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu must be commended for appointing the current central bank governor, Mr. Olayemi Cardoso. He's an upright man. He is a no-nonsense man. He takes public service for what it should be, an opportunity to serve and leave an impact that your future generations will be proud of. I've had the opportunity to relate to him along with the chairman of the banking committee in the Senate Bureau, and I am proud to work closely with him. Now, that is interesting because what I've been given CBN so far is the same independence that the previous committee gave them. I am gambling and hoping, not hoping, I do my research well, very well, and I've heard about his record in public service. He has briefed us in private about what he hopes for CBN, and I fundamentally believe in it. My Ebon, you touched on that. Around the world, Federal Reserves and central banks have clear rules. And those rules are controlling money supply, curbing inflation, and supervising and regulating the banking sector. There might be exceptional circumstances where they have to do interventions.